Tired of juggling between Pipedrive and DocuSign? Let's bridge that gap. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the Deals section, as this is where most of your document sending will originate. Next, head over to the Pipedrive Marketplace, or the Integrations section. Search for the DocuSign integration. It should pop up right away. Click on the DocuSign app listing, and you'll be taken to the app's overview page. Here, you'll find a blue Install button. Click it. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection between Pipedrive and DocuSign. Log into your DocuSign account. Use the same credentials you normally use. Once authorized, return to your Pipedrive deal. You should now see a DocuSign module integrated within the deal details view. This is where you'll send documents directly from Pipedrive. Click Send with DocuSign. You can select a pre-existing template or upload a new document, then add the relevant contacts from your Pipedrive deal as signers. And you're done. The integration will automatically update the document status within Pipedrive, so you always know where things stand. This simple integration will save you time and keep your sales process flowing smoothly.